So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like she's getting some color added. Ooh, wow. Gorgeous dimensional blonde bob. She looks sensational, absolutely stunning change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So this next one features a beautiful bob. Very nicely done. I love her makeup as well. Nice, simple, and chic, effortless bob makeover. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to the next transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing an undercut. The stylist looks like he's having so much fun. Next up, we have someone who will be getting a pixie. Wow, very nice. Classic pixie shape, gorgeous. So it looks like we have a bob haircut for the next hair change. Very nice blunt ends. Wow, she looks phenomenal. Very nice center part down the middle. Classic effortless bob. And then we move on to another bob. This one also features a very blunt cut, more of like a mini bob shape in a stunning blonde color. Very nice mid-length cut. Another simple, effortless style. And then we have another layered hairstyle here for the next one. I love the bangs that the stylist is doing for this. Very pretty. And her hair has this gorgeous amount of sheen to it. Very nice. Next up, we have another color change. Oh, look at this stunning bob with the peekaboo turquoise in the back. Very blunt bangs. Wow, looks like she dyed the hair green. Very modern and edgy style. I absolutely love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.